Hi all, I am Ashvi. Today we discuss topic about how to choose a good book title. It is the first thing that your potential audience will read before they even open the cover. It is also what can persuade an editor to read your manuscript and publish work. Here are some tips to help you generate new book title ideas. First one is keep it concise. Keep your book title as concise as possible. Long book titles as difficult to remember and don't stand out to readers as much short titles to do. If you feel like you can't get your complete message across in just a few words, consider adding a subtitle as well. Second one is always keep your target audience. Always keep your audience in mind. You're waiting for a specific group. For example, writing a science fiction story will appeal to different group than a romantic novel. If your story is an international thriller or take place in another country, play around with some non-English titles. Third one is make it easy to remember. Your book title should be easy to remember. Potential book titles can include the name of the main character, your favorite line in the book, the setting of the book, or the theme of the book. The more complicated the title, the easier it will be to forget or confuse with another book. Be sure to include keywords in the book title that describe the most important character, place, image, or idea of your story. Fourth one is create something original. A good title needs to be the original as possible. Think of your title as an invitation. It should give a hint of what the reader can expect from your story without giving too much away. Leaving something to the imagination is what will motivate people to buy your book. Fifth one is note down ideas as you write. Some writers get hung up on the idea that they need to come up with the perfect book title before they start to write their book. You will find as you dig and start writing your story, ideas for titles will naturally come to you. Keep a running list you go. Don't feel like you have to edit yourself either. Write everything down. Even the title they may feel ridiculous at the time, you never know what will stick. Sixth one is give your book a thorough read. Once your book is finished, give it a thorough read and think about what it's trying to say. Take notes as you go in case you come across a descriptive phrase, image, or a piece of final dialogue that perfectly captures the theme of the book. Seventh one is recruit friends for brainstorming session. We all have that friend who is incredibly creative and good with words. Recruit them for a brainstorming session. You may want to have them read a few chapters of your book. First, to summarize the story and characters to give them some context. Then sit down and have some fun coming up with different book titles. You will be surprised how far you will get when someone else helps with the process. Eighth one is browse similar genres. Poetry books are typically going to have different kinds of title than autobiographies or other works of notification. Browse book title in similar genres to gain inspiration and ideas. Notice if there are particular trends or styles the author follow in naming their books. Think about what appeals to you in certain titles and brainstorm ideas for your book with similar characteristics. You can also do an internet search for best selling mystery novels or non fiction bestsellers and see if these popular books have something in common. Remember, you don't want to copy an existing title, but something could spark an idea that leads to you and creating your own. Ninth one is read it out loud. When you have your list, narrow down your top book title contenders. Read each one out loud to see how it sounds. See if you can shorten the phrase or keep one two keywords and combine them in a different way. Creating a strong title often involves trial and errors. So play around until feels right to you. Tenth one is try out some book title. When you're feeling stuck, sometimes it can help to get outside your head and try and let book title generate do the work for you. The goal is simply to give you a wide range of options and potential spark new inspiration. Here are some top book title generators by genre: non-fiction, fiction, science fiction, and fantasy. At last, 11th one is identify the problem your book will solve. Many readers like to know what they are getting into when they pick up a new book. The title of your book should clearly state what skill you are teaching or how it can help the readers solve a particular problem. The name and the more likely it is that your ideal readers will find it. I hope this discussion will be helpful to you. Follow Launchpad Books to learn more about reading, writing, and publishing. Thank you.